Well, with the uprising of generative AI and the combination of the models that have been here for the longest of analytical AI, nowadays the solutions are endless. These are solutions that can compute and cannot just associate. So you can imagine how now a computer cannot just give you an answer, but it can compute that answer. It can actually understand what you mean and then convert that into practical action like never before. So we can group these use cases probably into three big families. The first family that we see being almost a standard now is supporting the investment process through the use of artificial intelligence techniques and models. These are models that are able to look at millions and millions of data points, summarize them, and produce an output that is then utilized by investment team. This could be the chief investment office, so the chief investment officer himself, the investment strategists, portfolio managers. I would say investment team in general, they utilize insights to support their investment decision. That's probably one of the first areas. Second areas is what it has to do with converting those insights or those market views into a personalized portfolio. We know now that one of the hottest trends in asset and wealth management is definitely personalized investment solution. So being able to really personalize investment down to the final client. And these models that are more dynamic than traditional econometrics are way more able to really personalize to the final details portfolios. And so this is one of the most common use cases utilized for what in the US it's called direct indexing, and what it's in Europe it's called personalized discretionary management activity, as well as the advisory activity in wealth management or the solution or multi-asset activity in asset management. And then the third family is probably one of the most, let's say, catchy, which is utilizing artificial intelligence to support the sales effort and client engagement. How? By creating commentary, documentation, and reporting very personalized to every portfolio through the combination of both analytical and generative AI to create an outcome that it's very human-like and can really personalize not just the portfolio, but the feeling of interacting with this portfolio or this investment solution. I would say that when it comes down to the investment landscape, these three use cases are probably the most common that we see out there. So, if we look at the industry at a high level, the asset and wealth management industry is undergoing a very deep change, and there's a new competition out there brought by digital solution, passive investing, and hybrid models. There's no escaping that one needs to be able to do more with the resources that one have. It's been proven, and there's multiple studies, that the implementation of these techniques do not absolutely take away job, but it allows the people that are doing the job to do the job better and at a much greater scale. So I have to say that, just to wrap it up, when we think about artificial intelligence, we shouldn't be thinking about whether it's going to replace, take away the human, but it's really being able to understand how this technology can implement scale on activity that before were not really scalable, such as personalization, reporting, that were very human-like, very human capital intensive, and therefore cannot be scaled at the right pace.